When I tell you these are one of the best pork chops I have ever had, I am not exaggerating. I was looking for a pork chop recipe and I came upon this one, and I will tag the name of who made it down below. These are all made in the crock pot. They come out so tender, like literally fall apart. And that gravy, I think that gravy is what makes these pork chops so delicious. So let me show you how I made these. To start off with, you want to start with 1 inch thick pork chops. I found these at my local Safeway. I'm sure you can find these at maybe Fry's if you have one, or at Walmart. But this, you want to use the 1 inch thick pork chops for best results. For the seasonings, I'm using onion powder, garlic powder. I'll be using an adobo seasoning. It's an all-purpose seasoning. And I'll also be using some salt and some pepper. Feel free to use whatever seasonings that you like. I'm going to pat the seasonings down onto these pork chops just to make sure that the seasonings stick. Flip these around and season the other side. After that, in my pan on medium heat, I added some olive oil. You can also add some butter. I let that heat up, and I'm going to just lightly sear my pork chops. You can brown them darker than that, but to me, I just wanted to lightly sear it. In the same pan that I already cleaned, I added some olive oil. I diced up some onion and one bell pepper. On medium heat, I'm going to just lightly cook this for about 3 minutes, adding in some minced garlic and continuing to cook that for a good 2 minutes. And once this is done, I'm going to add that to the bottom of my crock pot. Just spread it around, and I'm going to top that with my pork chops. I'm going to set this aside, and in a bowl, I'm going to add in a can of cream of chicken with herbs, a can of cream of mushroom, and a brown gravy mix that has low sodium. Just quickly mixing that together. And now this is going to go on top of the pork chops. I'm just going to smother them all with that nice mixture. I'm going to cover this, and this is going to cook on high for 5 to 6 hours, or on low for 6 to 7 hours. I did on high, and mine was done in 5 hours. And if you can see, the bone literally came off of the pork chop. You know these are gonna be delicious. And look how nice and tender. These don't even look like pork chops. They are so delicious. And that gravy, I just know this is going to be good. So I served this up with some homemade mac and cheese, some corn, and some homemade mashed potatoes. I topped my mashed potatoes off with that gravy. I put some more gravy on top of my pork chops. And look how happy I am, because I just know this is going to be so delicious. I hope you all enjoy. Bye.